Ever wish you knew the secret to making money with cryptocurrency? Well, you're not alone. Many people are intrigued by the potential of digital currencies but don't know where to start. The good news is you're in the right place to learn the basics and beyond. You're in the right place. Whether you're a complete beginner or someone with a bit of knowledge, this guide will help you navigate the exciting world of cryptocurrency. So what exactly is cryptocurrency? It's a term that's been thrown around a lot, but let's break it down. Simply put, it's digital money, decentralized and powered by blockchain technology. This means it operates independently of traditional banking systems and governments. No banks, no governments, just secure and transparent transactions. The blockchain technology ensures that every transaction is recorded and cannot be altered, providing a high level of security. Now, how do you make money with crypto? First up, mining. This is one of the oldest methods of earning cryptocurrency. It involves powerful computers solving complex problems to earn coins. These problems are mathematical puzzles that require significant computational power to solve. A bit tech-heavy, but hey, it's an option. Next, staking. If mining sounds too complicated, staking might be more up your alley. Lock up your crypto like Ethereum or Cardano and earn interest or rewards. This process involves holding your cryptocurrency in a wallet to support the operations of a blockchain network. Think of it like earning dividends on stocks, but with digital assets. The longer you hold and stake your coins, the more rewards you can earn. Want something simpler? Platforms like Coinbase reward you for learning about new projects. These platforms offer educational content and quizzes that pay you in cryptocurrency for your participation, or even through crypto games and DeFi platforms. Decentralized finance, or DeFi, is a rapidly growing sector that offers various financial services without traditional intermediaries. Okay, you've earned some crypto. Now what? The next step is to decide how to manage and grow your digital assets. Hodling is one strategy. Buy and hold long-term. This strategy involves purchasing cryptocurrency and holding onto it for an extended period, regardless of market fluctuations. It's worked wonders for early Bitcoin and Ethereum investors. Those who bought Bitcoin in its early days and held onto it have seen tremendous returns. If you love market thrills, try active trading. This involves buying and selling cryptocurrencies frequently to take advantage of market volatility. Buy low, sell high, but it requires market analysis and a bit of guts. Remember, crypto is volatile. High risk, high reward. Active trading can be profitable, but it's also risky and requires a good understanding of market trends. Know what you're getting into. It's crucial to educate yourself and understand the risks involved before diving into the world of cryptocurrency. Keep learning, stay updated, and you'll be on your way to growing your digital fortune. The cryptocurrency market is constantly evolving, so staying informed is key to making smart investment decisions. If this video helped, hit like, subscribe, and ring the bell for more wealth-growing tips. Your support helps us create more content to guide you on your financial journey. Drop your crypto thoughts in the comments. Thanks for watching. We love hearing from our viewers and are here to help you succeed in the world of cryptocurrency.